Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Previously, we have seen that the price action of Bitcoin formed a falling wedge pattern, and within this falling wedge pattern, the price action formed another rising wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart. And this rising wedge pattern is considered as a bearish reversal pattern. And on the other side, the falling wedge pattern is considered as a bullish reversal. And the price line broke down the support of this rising wedge, and technically the target should be the support of this rising wedge, that is approximately at the same level where we have this support of the falling wedge as well, approximately at $28,800. And this is our very strong support zone that starts from $31,000 and ends up to $28,800. As we have already seen in my previous so many videos, that the price action is not able to break down this support zone so far, even not on the daily time frame chart and not on the long term weekly time frame. And we are not having even closing below $31,000 even on the daily time frame chart as well. Now let's have a look on this breakdown, and we can see that even though the price action has broken down the support of this rising wedge, but if you take a look at the volume is still very low. That is not supporting this breakdown. That is, you can call it as a fake out, unless we will not have a powerful sell volume like we had here and like we had here as well. Once we will have the powerful sell volume, then this breakdown can be confirmed and the price action can move more down to retest the support of the falling wedge, where we have a very strong support zone starting from $31,000 and ends up to $28,800. And you can also see that the price action is also trying to break out this EMA 10 and 21 again and again, but so far it is unsuccessful in breaking out the EMA 10 and 21. And let me show you when first the price action broke down this EMA 10 and 21. Here on this candlestick, the price action broke down the EMA 10 and 21, and EMA 10 formed the bear cross or death cross with EMA 21. When this EMA 10 crossed down this EMA 21, that was the death cross or bear cross. And after that, so far we did not receive any bull cross again, and you can see that this EMA 10, the blue line, is still moving below this red line, that is EMA 21. So once we will receive this bull cross, when this EMA 10 will cross of this EMA 21, that will be the first buying signal, and the price action can have again a very nice support on the daily time frame of EMA 10 and 21. And then these two EMAs can lift the price action towards the upside. Now I want to show you a very important move on the smaller time frame on the 4-hourly chart. And here we can see that after this breakdown, the price action has formed this descending triangle and moving very well between the resistance and support of this descending triangle. And at this time, it is trying to break out this resistance of this descending triangle. You can see that we have very low volume so far, and therefore the price action is not able to hit the target of this rising wedge after this breakdown. And in order to break out this descending triangle, we need a buying volume. And if I place the volume indicator on the smaller time period chart, then we are still not having a nice buying volume that can support this breakout if the price action will break out this resistance of the descending triangle. So we need the volume in order to confirm the breakdown or breakout. The price line is not confirming the breakdowns and breakouts by the volume. So this is the fake out so far. But once we will have another breakout on the 4-hourly chart by this from this descending triangle, then we should need to again see this volume indicator again. If it will be supporting this breakout, then we can confirm that the price action can move towards the upside. And in case of breakout from this descending triangle, our next target can be, if I place this trend line here, it depends from where the price line will break out. For example, if it will break out from here, then our next target can be here, that is approximately $37,600. And there is a possibility that the price action will break out, because if I again place this volume profile that I have been showing you in so many previous videos, and I'm just going to apply this fixed range on the complete price action. Since we have found this support since 19th of May, then we can see that the point of control of the volume profile is moving approximately at $36,500. That is our target in case of breakout from this descending triangle. So there is a possibility that the price action will be moved here and it will break out the resistance of the descending triangle, because the point of control is still moving above the resistance of this falling wedge as well. And once the price action will be moved here, it will also break out the resistance of the falling wedge, and our next target of the falling wedge, if I show you, can be this tail of the falling wedge that is approximately at $41,000. So once we will have the breakout from this a smaller descending triangle, then we can also have another big breakout from this descending falling wedge as well. And once the price line will break out this falling wedge, then we can the price line can move above the EMA 21 weekly as well. You can see that the EMA 21 weekly is around at $40,600. And once the price action will reach up to $41,000, that is the tail of this falling wedge, then it can also move above the EMA 21, and that will be a very powerful attempt to break out the EMA 21 weekly. And once the price line will manage to move above the EMA 21 weekly, then we will see that so many traders will jump into the Bitcoin and they will start buying, because I've been telling you previously as well that there are two places where the Bitcoin, the traders are buying the Bitcoin. One is this zone that starts from $31,000 to $28,800. Another one will be when the price action will cross up and we will have a proper closing above the EMA weekly, EMA 21 weekly on the weekly time frame chart. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there, and here you will find a lot more other trading ideas which I am sharing on the daily basis. Take care. Goodbye.